Your hair is your crowning glory. Look after it and it will shine for all the world to see. You don't always need expensive treatments or visits to a hair salon to manage your hair professionally. There's so much you can do yourself. 1. For shiny, healthy hair, think first of your body's intake. Your hair is really just a reflection of what you are inside. A good balanced, nutritious and healthy diet will do more to make your hair shine than any shampoo or conditioner. And drink 8 to 10 glasses of water a day too. Hair is 25% water, so don't let yours go thirsty. 2. Dry your hair after washing in the ambient temperature of your room after using an absorbent towel to soak up the excess moisture, but don't rub hard. If possible, don't use blow-drying, flat irons, curling irons or hot rollers. Artificial heating will leave your hair brittle and damaged in time. Be natural whenever you can. 3. Prevent unnecessary hair damage by using the right kind of hairbrush. Only comb wet hair with a wide-tooth comb, combing from end to root, but avoiding touching the root. Detangling wet hair with a hard steel comb can create a lot of damage, so don't. 4. Remove trichomonosis, or split ends, like this. Take small sections of your hair and carefully twist them in a gentle downward motion. The split ends will stick out. Using sharp scissors, carefully cut into the twisted section, but not right through, to remove the damaged cuticles and leave a natural layered look. Cut roughly the same amount from each twist to balance the effect. 5. Hair loss can be slowed, or even reversed by applying a few simple tips, though they probably won't cure an underlying condition. Biotin can help to regenerate hair follicles. Blend bananas with honey, yogurt and low-fat milk, and drink it daily. Supplements such as vitamin B6, zinc and saw palmetto will help too, but eliminating stress and getting plenty of sleep may work just as well. We are all obsessed with our hair, whether we are 9 or 90, male or female. Look after yourself first and foremost, and your hair will reflect that care and attention. Your hair reflects your strength too. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up. Share this with your friends and don't forget to subscribe.